guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been wanting to do this video for a long time. I just haven't been able to get to it. So today I decided, you know what, I'm gonna wait until the sun goes down. I'm gonna go ahead and film this video because I needed to film this video. So today's video is going to be talking about the new Bellamy Silk Seam hair extensions, and these are the 26 inches in 360 grams, and I got them in the color Jet Black number 1. So this is what the box looks like, in what they come in. When I saw that they came out with 26 inches extensions, I was like, hold up, what, Bellamy? Are you serious right now? We're doing this? So I really wanted to go ahead and try them. If you guys followed me for a while now, you guys know I have actually reviewed and tried all the extensions, almost all the extensions they have in wigs as well. You can search up my videos, or you can go on YouTube search bar prettygrace hair extensions, and you guys can see all the videos of the extensions. And I've styled them, I've curled them, I've showed you guys videos on how I dyed my extensions when I had red hair. I've had extensions with the purple and pink. Trust me, I've had years wearing Bellamy hair extensions. So before I get started on reviewing the extensions and showing you guys the extensions, I wanted to show you guys that I did cut my hair. A lot of people were like, oh my god, your hair was so long and you cut them. I had a midlife crisis, I want to say, and I ended up cutting my hair. So yeah, I mean, I like it. It's growing again. I just kind of wanted something different. I felt like when I had long hair, my hair was almost up to my butt. I'll try to find a video or a picture and I'll put it here so you guys can see. My hair was really long, really long. So yeah, so I decided to cut it, and yeah, so I can wear extensions if I want to. If I don't want to, I don't, because when my hair was so long, I had to stop wearing Bellamy hair extensions because my hair was longer than the actual extensions, and their extensions used to go up to 24 inches. So my hair was a little bit longer than that. So yeah, so it really, I was like pointless of me wearing extensions. So now I cut my hair and I can wear extensions again. So I have been wearing extensions on and off. So before I get started, I wanted to show you guys what does the silk seam mean. So their extensions have changed. Now it's like this little plastic band right here that you can see. And don't mind my nails. I haven't got my nails done because I took them off. My niece is going to be born soon, and I wanted to like not have nails so I don't end up scratching her if I help my sister out. So I took off my nails, and I've been trying to go like without nails. So I've been painting my own nails, and they chip easily. So I need to go get them with gel. So anyways, but yeah, other than that. So this is what it looks like. You're going to see this different band, and the clips are the same. It's just the band that is different. Let me show you an old extension, if I can find one here. The old extensions are like this. You guys can see they are different now. So they're different extensions now. So this is the new one. This is what it comes, the 26-inch one. I know there's another extensions that I've reviewed, and they do come like this, but they're shorter and less grams. First, let's go ahead and start talking about when you get your package. It's going to look like this, and it comes with a tester. The tester is a 2F clip like this. You'll be able to open that part when you open the box. So if you open it up, the extension, the tester will be in here. It'll be this one right here. You get to take it out and try it, test it out, see if the color matches. If you don't know what color would match your extensions, you can definitely email Bellamy. Hit them up on Instagram as well, and they will message you back. If you send them a picture, they'll tell you what color. When I first started a while back, I decided to change my hair color. I went like a brown color. I sent them a picture, and they colors match me perfectly. So I was so excited because they color match you. So they color matched me, and they gave me the extensions. When they got home, I was so shocked that they matched. So they got you guys. That's what I like about Bellamy. So you will be able to test out the tester, see if the color matches, see if you like it. If not, you'll be able to return the extensions or exchange them for a different one. Then the actual ones come in here. It comes with another plastic, but I already took it off. If you open this part of the extensions, you won't be able to exchange them or return them because it will be void. whatever that thing that is called, it will be void. So yeah. So in the extensions, it does come with the tester. I usually use a tester as an extension as well, but honestly, like recently, for some reason, I haven't not been liking to use the 2 weft extensions. I don't know why. So it comes with the tester, that's 1 weft, and then it comes with two more 2 wefts, 2 clip extensions. I don't know why I keep saying weft. 2 clip extensions. So basically I have 3 2 clip wefts. Then it comes with a large long 4 clip weft, and then it comes with a 1/3 weft, and then it comes with another this one's a medium size 4 clip weft, and then it comes with a another 3 weft. I don't know why I keep saying that, clip weft right here. So I'll actually be having, what? I can't even talk today. I will have 2 3 clip, 2 4 clip, so that's 4, and then we'll have 3 clip wefts right here. So basically we'll have 7 wefts that we can wear. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these on my head. I want you guys to see how they blend into my hair. I've worn them once already just to kind of test it out, because I wanted to kind of have a little bit more information, let you guys know how I feel about them, how I like them. I didn't just want to go on here and take them out of the box and just put them in my head and be like, okay guys, I don't know how I feel about them. So I'm gonna try to film how I apply them. If it doesn't work out, then I probably won't post it, because honestly it's hard for me to film myself doing it. But I'm gonna go ahead and change my shirt, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I clip them on, and if I don't show, then I'll just show you guys how they look on. Alright, so I went ahead and I put my sleeping shirt on just to be comfortable, because honestly it's really hot. It's like 90 degrees or something, I'm not sure, but anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply these. I'm gonna put these to the side because I really don't wear these. Like, maybe I could, but no. So I am gonna go ahead, and I already have them numbered as well, so, and I didn't bring a brush to brush them. Okay, I'll see if one of the kids will bring me one. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the first one. So basically what I do, since I do have short hair, you guys can see I have shorter length hair in the back, and in the front it's a little bit longer. I have no idea what that haircut is called. I'm already sweating here, and I haven't even put all my extensions in. Okay. So I'm just gonna put this in the bottom, and I only do this because I'm trying to avoid from the my hair to like pop up in the back. All right. So then I'm going to go ahead and put number 2. So I do have it numbered, like I said, just because I want to know where I put them. So number 2 is going to be a 4 clip. So I already put one of a 3 clip, so I'm going to put a 4 clip. The 4 clip is a little bit longer. So just going to, and you could tease your hair. I don't tease it, but I've been doing it for a little bit, and I kind of like how my extensions feel more when it's teased. But for this video, I'm just going to place them. Alright. Number 2 is in. Number 2 is in. And then I have number 3 and 3 left. So I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair up here. So right I wanted to jump in here and let you guys know I did end up putting on the 2-clip weft extensions. So I did use all 3 of them. So as you guys can see here, I am wearing one on each side, and then I want put one in the back so I can show you guys what it looks like with all the extensions in, because I was thinking why not show them what it looks like so they see the full head of extensions. So you guys are going to see how they all look together. There's going to be a different clip with my hair, my whole background differently because of my cameras. I didn't really capture everything really good. So you guys are going to see a difference before I even curl my hair so you guys can see how the extensions look. Hi, me again. So I wanted to show you guys how my hair looks. So I had to come into my bathroom and show you guys from far away so you guys can see what the extensions look like, because you obviously couldn't see it in the other clip. So this is what the extensions look like from the length and everything. I'm actually getting ready to curl them so you guys can see what they look curled. But this is the length. Oh my god, they are so nice and so beautiful. I really like these extensions. Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to finish up my Bellamy hair extension video. I was filming that day. You guys are gonna see that I look different. I didn't realize that my microphone battery died, and I was talking through the whole video, and then I didn't realize until I was editing the video that I'm missing the audio for it. So there was like, I don't know what to do, either do a voiceover or anything, but I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna refilm that part. So you guys will see me with my extensions on. This is how they look curled already. So this is what the extensions look like, and I really love them because it gives me my inches back after I got my hair. You guys know my hair is really short right now. I love that I can have the option either to have short or long hair. The hair quality is amazing. You guys know how I really like Bellamy. I've been wearing Bellamy hair extensions since maybe a year after I started my YouTube channel. Yeah, I've been using Bellamy for a long time. I have tried other ones, and I simply always come back to Bellamy because I really like their hair extensions, the quality, the thickness, you know. I really like their extensions. So definitely check them out. I do have a discount code for you guys. Pretty Little Miss Grace for some money off if you guys are interested. If you guys want to see how I curled my hair, keep watching. And I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to show you guys how I styled my Bellamy silk seam extensions. I really love them. Definitely check them out. And don't forget to use Pretty Little Miss Grace for some money off your extensions order from Bellamy. Love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.